With all the coverage of the volcano cam on the Russian peninsula, I've been looking into it, and I quickly found that it's not just one volcano that's erupting there, it's 4 of them. There's a picture of Cam. There are 3 others pictured here that are either active or erupting during the last month. That's, you know, pretty big activity. Later I'll show you the ash cloud that's projected. Here you have on the left there in that peninsula, it shows the volcanoes, and then on the right you can see just how close those are to mainland Alaska. Now, on those where that red dot is, there's actually an island there called Bogoslav that blew up. It was a subterranean volcano, and it actually blew the island in half, basically, from what I understand. Nobody knew about it. It was a sea lion sanctuary. Nobody lived there. Nobody knew about it until the weather cleared and someone was able to take a look at it. It's actually still growing, but it formed a new volcano, and it kind of, the way that it looks there on the right, it's almost like a Gulf of Mexico type scenario. It also raises some questions about evolution of the planet, and you know how changes take millions of years. These are some pretty quick changes that happened. You can see here March 19th, 2015 to January 24th, you have an entirely new island, basically. There's the Gulf of Mexico. If that theory was true, that, you know, a volcano blew that hole, you would think that there'd be some evidence. And there is a hot tub down in the bottom of the Gulf of Mexico that's been discovered. They call it the hot tub of death. It's not that warm, but it's really briny. Here's the fault line here. It goes all the way around down the coast. Those are all volcanoes. It's all volcanic activity. Whenever we talk about volcanoes, earthquakes come up. Just today, there was a 3.5 magnitude in southeastern Alaska. There's been 6 earthquakes in the past 24 hours, 91 earthquakes in the past 7 days, thousands. If you look at that graphic a little more, you can pause the video. Here's a graphic of all of the earthquakes historically. That star was a 9.2 magnitude. So putting it all together, you got these Russian volcanoes over here. The blue is the ash cloud. The circle in the center is the island that blew up, and then you got the quakes up there in Alaska. There's some pictures of the 9.2 magnitude that happened in 1964. The USGS has a free report available on that if you're interested in reading about it. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.